Hi children, today I explain about the topic pair of lines andre jodi ರೇಖೆಗಳು. Any two lines on the same plane irrespective of type or position are called pair of lines. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ರೇಖೆಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ಸಮತಲದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಜೋಡಿ ರೇಖೆಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. The pair of lines consist as a different types. First one, intersecting lines. Any two lines which cross through a common point are called intersecting lines. And the common point is called the point of intersection. ಅಂದರೆ ಛೇದಕ ರೇಖೆಗಳು. ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ರೇಖೆಗಳು ಹಾದು ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಛೇದಕ ರೇಖೆಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ರೇಖೆಗಳು ಛೇದಿಸುವ ಬಿಂದುವನ್ನು ಛೇದಕ ಬಿಂದು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, PQ is a line and RS is a line meet at a common point O and this point is called the point of intersection. Parallel lines. A pair of straight lines are said to be a parallel if the distance between corresponding points of the lines are always same. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮಾನಾಂತರ ರೇಖೆಗಳು. ಒಂದೇ ಸಮತಲದಲ್ಲಿನ ಜೋಡಿ ರೇಖೆಗಳ ಅನುರೂಪ ಬಿಂದುಗಳು ಸಮ ಅಂತರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಂತಹ ರೇಖೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಮಾನಾಂತರ ರೇಖೆಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. If two parallel lines are extended in the both the direction, they never meet each other on the same plane. In the given figures, AB is a line and CD is a line are two lines drawn in different positions and the distance between them are same. The distance between two lines does not change, hence the parallel lines do not meet anywhere. Transversal line. A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal line. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಛೇದಕ ರೇಖೆ. ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಮೂರು ಸರಳ ರೇಖೆಗಳನ್ನು ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಬಿಂದುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಛೇದಿಸುವ ರೇಖೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಛೇದಕ ರೇಖೆ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. A, B and P are a straight line in which P is the transversal. K and L are distinct points of the intersection. They are angles formed by a transversal line. Interior angles. The angles formed by a line segment of the transversal and between pair of lines are called interior angles. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಳ ಕೋನಗಳು. ಪ್ರಛೇದಕ ರೇಖೆಯ ರೇಖಾಖಂಡದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಜೋಡಿ ರೇಖೆಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಉಂಟಾದ ಕೋನಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳ ಕೋನಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. In the given figure, PQ and A are three straight lines which are the angles formed by A is a transversal line. Observe the following four angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Since these four angles are formed interior to the pair of lines, they are named as interior angles. Exterior angles. The pair of angles which lie outside the pair of lines but on the same side of the transversal are called exterior angles. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊರ ಕೋನಗಳು. ಜೋಡಿ ರೇಖೆಗಳ ಹೊರಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಛೇದಕ ರೇಖೆಯ ಹೊರಬದಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಜೋಡಿ ಕೋನಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊರ ಕೋನಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. In the given figure, L, M and P are three straight lines, which are the angles formed by P is a transversal line. Observe the following four angles: angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Since these four are formed exterior to the pair of lines, they are named as exterior angles. Consecutive interior angles. The interior angles on the same side of a transversal are called consecutive interior angles. ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಮಾನುಗತ ಒಳಕೋನಗಳು. ಪ್ರಛೇದಕ ರೇಖೆಯ ಒಂದೇ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಒಳಕೋನಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ರಮಾನುಗತ ಒಳಕೋನಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. In the given figure, observe the pair of angles angle 1 and angle 3 and another pair of angles angle 2 and angle 4 with respect to a transversal line Z. Observe that angle 1 and angle 3 are pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal Z. Similarly, the pair of angles angle 2 and angle 4 are on the right side of the transversal. Corresponding angles. One exterior angle and another one interior angle are not adjacent angles and they are same side of the transversal. Such pair of angles is called corresponding angles. ಅಂದರೆ ಅನುರೂಪ ಕೋನಗಳು. ಎರಡು ಜೋಡಿ ರೇಖೆಗಳ ಅನುಕ್ರಮ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಜೋಡಿ ಕೋನಗಳನ್ನು ಅನುರೂಪ ಕೋನಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. In the above figure, P is a transversal. It cuts L and M lines. The pair of angles angle 1 and angle 5 are marked on left side of the transversal P and angle 1 lies above L line and angle 5 lies above M line. The second pair of angles angle 2 and angle 6 are at right side of the transversal P and lie above the lines L and M. The third pair of angles angle 3 and angle 7 are on left side of the transversal P and are below the lines L and M. And the fourth pair of the angles angle 4 and angle 8 are at right side of the transversal P and lie below the lines L and M. The fourth pair of angles angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7 and angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. Alternate interior angles. Interior angles are a pair of angles on the inner side of each of those two lines but on opposite sides of the transversal. These two pair of angles are called alternate interior angles. ಅಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಒಳಕೋನಗಳು. ಜೋಡಿ ಒಳಕೋನಗಳು ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಕೋನಗಳ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೋನಗಳ ರೇಖೆಗಳ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಜೋಡಿ ಕೋನಗಳನ್ನು ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಒಳಕೋನಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. In the above figure, inside of the angles, the angle 1 lies to the left transversal P and below the line L, while the angle 4 lies to the right of the transversal P and above the line M, and angle 2 is on the right side of the transversal P and lies below the line L, while angle 3 is on left side of the transversal P and lies above the line M. The pair of angles angle 1 and angle 4 and angle 2 and angle 3 are alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles. The exterior angles are a pair of angles on the outer side of each of those two lines but on opposite sides of the transversal. These two pair of angles are called alternate exterior angles. ಅಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಹೊರಕೋನಗಳು. ಜೋಡಿ ಹೊರಕೋನಗಳು ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಕೋನಗಳ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೋನಗಳ ರೇಖೆಗಳ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅಂತಹ ಜೋಡಿ ಕೋನಗಳನ್ನು ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಹೊರಕೋನಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. In the above figure, outside of the angles, angle 1 lies to the left transversal P and below the line L, while the angle 4 lies to the right of the transversal P and above the line M, and angle 2 is on the right side of the transversal P and lies below the line L, while angle 3 is on left side of the transversal P and lies above the line M. The pair of angles angle 1 and angle 4 and angle 2 and angle 3 are alternate exterior angles.